ladies and gentlemen. Okay, Jeff, are you ready for this? Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Jeff, would you like to take your shirt off or do you want to keep it on? The choice is yours. Okay, we'll have music and the shirt comes off. Here we go. Here we go. Jeff, are you ready for this? Okay, is the crowd ready? Ladies and gentlemen, please keep your hands inside the vehicle until the ride comes to a complete stop. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1, take it away! Fantastic. Let's see the scores. We've got 5s and 5s and 5s and 5s and 5s. This could be a perfect 5. Do I see 5s and 5s and 5s and 5s? 5s and 5s and 5s. This might be a perfect scoring round. I see 5s. Oh, 1-4. 1-4 is not enough to lower it down. A 2? Are you kidding me? You think I'm a 2? 5s and 5s. We got a 4 there. 5s and 5s and 5s. And ladies and gentlemen, we have got all 4 from our celebrity judges today. Ladies and gentlemen, Jeff from Kansas, not quite a perfect score. He scores a 4.9888, which means we do